In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely remove, uninstall, and delete any printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first things first, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and here please type for settings. Once you've typed it, a bash match will appear. Please click on open to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And from here, please navigate to the second option, which is the devices to bring up the devices settings. So here you need to scroll down and locate with the option called more devices and printer settings. And the moment you've tapped on it, you will be able to see the devices and printers. And these are the one that are being installed here in your Windows. So before you proceed to the uninstallation of the printer driver, you need to remove the device here first. So how we can do so? Let's say for example, this is the printer driver that you would like to remove with. All you need to do is you need to select it. Please make a right click and go with this remove device which has the shield icon. If it will ask you to confirm your action, go with yes so that you can remove that. Once you have removed it here in this window, close it, okay, and navigate to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and eventually you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for print UI space forward slash S space forward slash T number 2. Again, it is print UI space forward slash S space forward slash T number 2. Once you're done typing, click on OK. And eventually, you would be able to see all of the print server properties where you can see all of the driver that are being installed here in your Windows. So in order to remove that, all you need to do is you need to click on Remove, go with Remove Driver and the driver package and click on OK. Go with Yes and click on Delete and wait until it will be done. Click on OK. In that moment, you would be able to remove it here in the Windows. Again, just select it, go with removed, go with remove driver and driver packaged, go with OK, and delete that. Once you've deleted it, click on yes. Once you click on yes, you would be able to remove that entirely, completely in the Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.